Toyota Camry 2026 vs Honda Accord 2026, complete essay. The 2026 Toyota Camry and the 2026 Honda Accord are two of the most popular midsize sedans in the United States. Both cars are well known for their reliability, comfort, and good fuel economy. Americans have trusted these models for many years because they offer a great balance of performance, safety, comfort, and long-term value. In this essay, we will compare Toyota Camry and Honda Accord in detail, looking at horsepower, fuel average, price, maintenance cost, and other important features, horsepower and engine options. The 2026 Toyota Camry is available with a hybrid powertrain that combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor for better fuel economy. The combined horsepower typically ranges around 225 horsepower. The hybrid engine provides smooth acceleration and helps reduce fuel consumption, especially in city driving. The 2026 Honda Accord offers both petrol and hybrid options. The petrol engine is usually a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that produces about 190 to 192 horsepower. The hybrid version of the Accord produces around 204 horsepower. The Accord's petrol engine tends to feel a bit more responsive and sporty, while the hybrid version focuses on efficiency. Overall, both cars have enough power for daily driving and long highway trips, but the Camry hybrid tends to be more efficient while the Accord petrol feels slightly sportier. Fuel average. Fuel economy is another key factor for buyers. The Toyota Camry hybrid is well known for its excellent fuel efficiency. On average, it can achieve about 50 miles per gallon, in the city and around 47 miles per gallon on the highway. This high fuel average makes the Camry hybrid one of the most economical midsize sedans in the US. The Honda Accord hybrid also offers good fuel economy, usually around 46 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. The petrol version of the Accord achieves slightly lower fuel efficiency, often around 30 miles per gallon combined. In comparison, the Camry hybrid generally has a slightly higher fuel average than the Accord hybrid and much better than the petrol version of the Accord. Price in the USA. The price of a new car is an important part of the decision-making process. In the United States, the 2026 Toyota Camry typically starts around and can increase with more features or the hybrid model. Both cars are in a similar price range, but the Camry often offers a slightly better value for money when considering fuel savings and long-term ownership. Cost, interior, comfort, and technology inside. Both the Camry and the Accord offer comfortable seating, modern styling, and user-friendly technology. The Toyota Camry has a simple but reliable interior, with enough space for passengers and a decent-sized trunk.